Good morning, students, and welcome. Yesterday we started this lesson post World War political development. Okay, this is we were talking about this government and the major global issues, interdependence, that the countries are interdependent, whatever. So maybe if it all the country is well developed country, still they had to be depend upon some of the things for the other countries. किसी और चीज़ के लिए उनको डिपेंडेंट होना पड़, भले ही कितने प्रॉस्परस और या डेवलप्ड नेशन ही क्यों ना हो, still they had to rely on some of the other countries also. So that shows the interdependence, मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ उनको रहना पड़ता है, तो एक दूसरे के साथ उनका कनेक्शंस रहती है, उनका इंटर रिलेशनशिप्स होता है. Then is an international relation through the foreign policy. Every nation has the policies about the internal dealings. हर एक अपना nations का internal dealings का उनका अपनी policies होती है. And their in relations with the other nation, उनके अपने relation बाकी countries के साथ. Yesterday we talked about the First World War also. What are the countries involved in the First World War? Which were the Allied powers and the Central powers. League of Nations was formed to prevent the war, and now we are going to read this Second World War. The Second World War was fought between 1939 and 1945. The First World War was fought between 1914 to 1918, and the Second World War was 1939 to 1945. It proved to be far more destructive than the First World War. It was more powerful than the First World War. First World War से ज़्यादा भयानक ये Second World War था. Not only was it more widespread compared to the First World War, but also more advanced technology was employed in this war. Countries which took part in the Second World War once again faced a situation of economic crisis. Because in the Second World War, because there was the technology was developed, advanced technology was used in the Second World War, and so the crises were very high. जो पहले इकोनॉमिक जो तकलीफ़ों से इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम से जूझ रहे थे, उनको और ऊपर से ये क्राइसिस की वजह से, वर्ल्ड वार की वजह से और दिक्कतें फेस करने लगी. लेट्स राइट द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर वाज fought between 1939 to 45. What events were unfolding in India during this period? यानी अपने यहाँ देश में क्या होगा. तो what was the effect of the Second World War on India? What was the impact on the Second World War over India? Now see, countries involved in the Second World War, Allied powers, that was Britain, France, Australia, Canada, New Zealand. See, India were also involved in Second World War, Soviet Union, China, America, and Axis power, that is Germany, Japan, and Italy. America played a major role in the Second World War. It had manufactured nuclear weapons. In order to end the war, it dropped 2 nuclear weapons on the cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Okay, they had a nuclear weapons. अमेरिका का पास न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स था. 2 वेपन उन्होंने जापान में डाला, दैट इज हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी में, on 6th and the 9th August 1945 respectively. The Second World War ended with the defeat of the German in Europe and of Japan in Asia. यानी सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में क्या हुआ, जर्मनी में जर्मन का ये हुआ, डिफीट हुआ इन यूरोप एंड जापान इन एशिया. Among the many events that took place in the world after the Second World War was the beginning of the Cold War. Many events that took place after the Second World War, one was that Cold War. 1945 to 1991 is the long period of the Cold War. Let us take stock of a few changes in this period. Now let's see what is Cold War. America and the Soviet Union, who were the allies in the Second World War, became competitors as soon as the war got over. And after the war was over, this America and सोवियत यूनियन बोथ बिकेम द कॉम्पिटिटर, मतलब एक दूसरे के प्रतिद्वंदी बन गए आमने सामने. द कॉपरेशन बिटवीन दम गेव वे टू द राइवलरी. जो कॉपरेशन उनका था, दोनों बीच में जो था, वो अभी दुश्मनी में बदल गई है. दिस राइवलरी occupied a period of 40 to 45 years. See, the rivalry continued till 40 to 45 years of international politics. There was no open war between these two countries, but there was such tension in this relationship. मतलब उन दोनों में ऐसे युद्ध नहीं छिड़ते थे. There was not a war between both of them, पर उनके बीच में अंदर ही अंदर एक दूसरे के पीछे प्रति द्वेष थे, एक दूसरे को नीचे दिखाने का चाहती, ये सब चल रहा था उनके अंदर ही अंदर. That it seemed that war would erupt एनी टाइम, ऐसा माहौल बना होता कि एनी टाइम द वॉर विल एरप्ट. द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कोल्ड वॉर इज यूज टू डिस्क्राइब द कंडीशन वेयर देर इज नो एक्चुअल वॉर बट देर वॉज सच टेंशन इन द सर्कमस्टेंसेस दैट दे मे बी रेस्पॉन्सिबल टू कॉज वॉर. मतलब कोल्ड वॉर मीन्स दैट इज नॉट ए वॉर एग्जैक्टली नॉट ए वॉर. मतलब वेपन्स का इस्तेमाल करके एक दूसरे के विरुद्ध युद्ध नहीं छिड़ रहे थे, पर एक दूसरे के प्रति एक टेंशन उनमें हमेशा लगा रहा. ऐसे टेंशन ना होती थी जैसे कि कभी भी इन दोनों के बीच में युद्ध छिड़ेगी. दैट टाइप ऑफ कंडीशन, दैट टेंशन इज कॉल्ड एज द कोल्ड वॉर. In this period, America was already a superpower, but the Soviet Union also tried to become a superpower by making nuclear weapons. Okay, during that time America was a superpower, अभी भी उसे सुपर पावर के ये हैं. Soviet Union also tried to become a superpower by making nuclear weapons. तो अपने आप को वो सुपर पावर साबित करने के लिए they were making the nuclear weapons, and by increasing its military might. The struggle was for power. Arms race, differences in ideology, attitude of checkmating each other by the strategies and counter strategies gave rise to the Cold War. यानी एक दूसरे को नीचा दिखाने के, अपने आप को साबित करने के लिए मिलिट्री इसको इंक्रीज किए गए. देयर पावर्स, देयर आर्म्स रेस, डिफरेंसेस, उनकी सोच में आइडियोलॉजी में डिफरेंसेस होने की वजह से एक दूसरे को गिराने के या चेकमेट, दैट इज व्हाट इज द वर्ड इट इज यूज, एक दूसरे को मात देने के लिए ऐसे जो स्ट्रेटजीज वगैरह इस्तेमाल किए गए थे, दैट गिव्स राइज टू द कोल्ड वॉर. Now, effect of the Cold War, see, creating of the military organization, creations of the military organization. During the Cold War, both the superpowers created military organizations. The respective superpowers took up the responsibility of the security of the countries joining the military. Both the superpowers took the responsibility of the security of the countries. In both the powers, the American as well as the Soviet Union, they took the responsibility of their country and securing their countries. Joining the military organization led by them. NATO, that is North Atlantic Treaty Organization, was the military organization under the dominance of America, while the Warsaw Pact was the military organization under the command of the Soviet Union. यानी दो अलग अलग यूनियन थे, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थे. One was NATO, that is North Atlantic Treaty Organization, under the dominance means under the America, and one was Warsaw Pact, that was under the command of the Soviet Union. Bipolarizations of the world. During the Cold War, most countries of the world joined either of the two superpower blocks. Such a division of the nations of the world is two groups is bipolarizations. Means the countries were divided into two parts. ये जो दो सुपर पावर्स है उनकी तरफ, कुछ अमेरिका की तरफ, कुछ सोवियत यूनियन की तरफ. So it is said to be a bipolarization. Means two. It was divided into two parts. The scope of the Cold War increased due to this. The sphere of tension spread. इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ? The tension spread. See, do you know? Let's do this. The Cuban Missile Crisis 1962 was an important event in the Cold War period. find out more about this event. Now, do you know the communist revolutions took place in 1970 in Russia and the Soviet Union came into being. In the short while, the Soviet Union came up as a superpower in international politics, but there was extreme difference of opinion between America and Soviet Union. For example, see what are the difference in opinion. The USA was a democratic state advocating capitalism, while Soviet Union advocated socialism and one-party authoritarian systems. Both the superpowers wanted to expand their own dominance in the world. यानी दोनों powers को अपनी dominance, अपना दबदबा बनाया रखना था देश के world में. America wanted to spread the capitalism, while the Soviet Union wanted to spread the socialism. Both countries started making efforts to pull smaller countries into their respective blocks in order to increase their hegemony. यानी वो लोग दोनों अपनी तरफ जो छोटे छोटे कंट्रीज थे उनको अपनी तरफ खींच रहे थे, तो ताकि वो अपना रुतबा बढ़ा सके या दबदबा बनाया जा सके. As a result, Europe was ideologically divided. Western European countries joined the bloc led by American, while Eastern European countries joined the bloc led by the Soviet Union. Okay, Western European लोग अमेरिका को ज्वाइन हो गए और ईस्टर्न यूरोपियन कंट्रीज ये ज्वाइन हुए सोवियत यूनियन को. These superpowers opposed the policy of extending military and economic help to the countries in their respective blocs. Now, arms race. The superpowers started producing arms on a large scale to outsmart each other. Okay, they started to produce more arms, both powerful arms वो लोग produce करने लगे, अमेरिका as well as the सोवियत यूनियन, ताकि एक दूसरे को नीचा दिखा सके या ओवर स्मार्ट टीचर, मतलब उनके ऊपर अपने आप को ये प्रूव करे कि दे आर द ग्रेट. They started a rivalry to make more and more destructive weapons and to acquire the technology required for the same. तो बहुत सारे destructive weapons बनाने लगे to show that they are more powerful than the other, and new technology were required for the same thing. But soon both the superpowers realized that the arms race may endanger international peace. Hence, efforts towards arm control and disarmament also happened during this period. Later on they come to know, दोनों को एहसास हुआ है कि इसके वजह से क्या हुआ, इंटरनेशनल पीस बिगड़ सकता है. नेचुरली ऐसे माहौल में एक पीस बना नहीं रह सकता, तो दे आइडेंटिफाइड दैट देयर विल बी डिस्टर्बेंस बिटवीन द international peace and now it will be in a danger. So they decided that they will control over the arms, जो भी arms ammunitions वो बना रहे, the new technology, with the help of the new technology and destructive weapons जो बना रहे उसके ऊपर control करना, it was quite important, and they thought it should be put in this so that this world will be saved. Creations of the regional organization. Developing nation created regional organizations at the regional level in the order to ensure mutual cooperation in the context of the superpower hierarchy. They felt that economic development was more important. European countries came together and formed the European Economic Community, while the Southeast Asian countries, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, etc., established the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, that is ASEAN. Okay, so what is creation of the regional organization? एक regional organization form किया गया है. That was quite important because they quite realized that economic condition को improve करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So they find that economic community should be formed. European countries came together for that purpose and European Economic Community was formed, while the Southeast Asian countries में जो सिंगापुर थाईलैंड है, they established a association of Southeast Asian nation. Okay, now I am stopping over here. The remaining part will be explained to you. Bye, see you in the next lecture. Please keep on reading the textbook so that you can understand it much better. If you keep in a touch, that will make the things easier to you. Bye, see you in the next lecture.